Good day everyone and welcome to Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Now let's get into our top stories. And first up, His Excellency Kevin Smith turns Jamaica upside down.
And you know the problem, if you as a woman give your front to a man as a gift, and you know, so you give him because he promised to pay, what proof is there of the transaction? You can't carry the front and say, here is the see the officer, see the damage. It can't talk, but it surely can walk from one man house to the next.
No, honestly. You see, that's why I tell people that they're supposed to watch cartoon, because if they don't watch Powerpuff Girls, you don't know how to look out for Mojo Jojo. Now moving things right along. Now the main suspect in the assassination of the Haitian president was found in Jamaica. No, may I try to understand why Jamaica have to keep, like, we can't take a break, we need a sick leave, we need a vacation leave, we need a couple of days off. Something wrong. Now continuing with more praise and worship news, congregation gets naughty. Church people be kinky. Now apparently we have to go back to an earlier story because someone failed to update the teleprompter, but OBO workers say Pathways Church incident is a disgrace. No, I have to leave the country or something. Okay, Abigail Myrie goes missing. You know, this is not really related, but like I thought of the name, like every time I say Abigail, I want to say Abigail, and then I realized how Ufa Pitney should be. And moving right along, Jamaican selector shows off the benefits of drinking water.
Oh my God! Wow!
When I get left at the back of the line. Cardi B keeps dancehall themed birthday party. You say, I'll me like spice, now make Megan come do me up, so you know. And now we're going to move on to some congratulatory news because social media personality Yadman Eaton is to appear in an upcoming anime series. Oh, you mean? To more Ray Ray news, the Maroon chief Richard Curry shuts down dance.
Election, and there's a chief, right? We come here and tell the man to laugh at the song. Who is you? We come tell the man to play. Who is you? We come tell the man to play. This is a town of order. This is a town of order. What you do?
You know, I don't really understand where all of that for. I thought he would have just simply sounded the abang. Adele releases Easy on Me. You know, I like the song. The song never made me ball, but like it made me think about other ways that people would use that line, easy on me. Now moving to some interesting news, sanitizer does Vogue. Now viewers, it is being reported that Sean Paul, dancehall artist Sean Paul, is actually white.
Good morning. I woke up with a question today for Jamaicans. So I was listening to early 2000 songs and obviously Sean Paul came up. And I was just wondering, are you guys mad? Because he is a white man, like he self-describes as being white, like a white Jamaican, and he literally made his career off of stealing Afro-Jamaican culture and using literal blackface. And you know, I just want to know, are you guys mad? Cause I kind of am as a Haitian. Like, he made so much money in blackface for years and it went unquestioned.
Fool you try to tell me.
Now before we take a break, let's get to the viewer's question. Do you remember seeing this bowl at your home while growing up? We'll read your comments after this break. No, we won't. Now welcome back to Dutty News. Let's continue with our stories. Family adopts zebra. Now recently, many of our viewers might have seen this video go viral.
Sing the one Sing the...
But let's be reminded that there were others that preceded that one.
Same now as then. You may not know how, you may not know when.
My soul, Lord, I'm getting old and fever from
I think what we learned recently is that church is festive. That is where the entertainment is at. We just need to sit down at church and get all of the good story then. Speaking of interesting stories, Florida man marries his goddaughter. Why it have to be Florida? Why it have to be Florida? Why Florida always a go? Now let's get to this footage of what it is like when you reunite with your sneaky link. Now let's shift things over to this child stealing the show at her birthday party. See, me alone when I did younger, I didn't know if I do the okey pokey. In similar news, baby does dirt. Now let's get to this precautionary tale. Here's why you should never give old women liquor.
She ain't know what to do.
Drink it. Drink it. 1, 2, 3, drink it. Take it to them. Woo! Now lick that.
That shot was kicking her ass.
There we go. Happy birthday, B. Happy birthday.
Shit almost took my granny out long.
Me not take my granny out like that. Not me. So I just spoke about liquor, but let's get into some wine because Bobby Schmurda has a tutorial for you guys out there.
Press down on the side, real quick. Press down on the side. Grab back. That's enough.
Well, you can't say I've never learned something in a prison. Now let's get into our final story. Woman gives birth to 17-pound baby.
You serious?
I'm not lying, I feel sorry for your vagina. Well, that's it, viewers. We've come to the end of another Dutty News where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Thank you so much for watching. Do take care. Until next time.